Hello friends, how are you? Are you okay? I hope you are okay. Are you also coming in the security guard? Well, come and make your career also in security guard. Because from many countries like Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Pakistan, African countries, many people used to come in the way security guards, so you also come and make your future. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you how do you save your locations, properties, and your people's life. Very important. Means how do you use fire panel? Because generally a security guards face always fire alarm sound. Means when fire alarm sound comes, immediately a security guards have to press silence button once time only. Okay? Alright? Then he should look the panel's display. Means where that location occurs the sound. Means from where the fire sounds come. He should know to look the fire alarm panel. Then only he should again press the reset button. Is that clear? Yes. Then his responsibility is to reach that locations where fire alarm rings. So he used to go there and used to know about the reasons why fire alarms come. And in this way, he should reset the buttons and should be aware of fire alarm button. So through this video I want to say you when you come in the security guard, you have to know how do you use the fire alarm button panel. Means first of all you have to press the silence button, then look the panels, then press reset button. In this way, your fire alarms finish. Yes, today's video only this much. And if this video is helpful for you, please like my videos. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Goodbye.